Your PC might already be infected, but you wouldn't even know it. Viruses can steal your data, slow down your system, and even give hackers access to your files. In this video, I'll show you how to find and completely remove hidden viruses from your PC. Ensure to watch until the end so you don't miss out important details. Now, the first thing you want to do is to find and remove any suspicious application or files. Go to this Windows icon, right-click on it, click Installed Apps. Now you want to go through all the applications installed in your computer, search for any suspicious file, maybe something you installed recently that after you installed the application, your computer started acting funny. So look for that software or application and uninstall it immediately. So if I scroll down here, for example, and I'm suspicious of this application, all I have to do is to go to the right side, click on here, click uninstall, then click uninstall again. Choose yes if notified, then uninstall. Go through your files, document the downloads, look for any file that is suspicious and delete them immediately. So once you're done with that, we're going to move to the next one. In your search bar, type protection. This should reveal your virus and threat protection. Click on it. Here in the virus and threat protection, go down here to scan options. Click on scan options. We have 4 options here. The first one is the quick scan. This is not advisable if you're dealing with stubborn malwares. And the custom scan is when you want to scan a specific folder, maybe your pen drive or hard disk. But now we're going to focus on 2 important scans, which is the full scan and the offline scan. The full scan is going to run a thorough scan of all your files and programs, and this is highly recommended, while the offline scan is used to detect and remove stubborn malware and rootkits. It's highly recommended to run the full scan and the offline scan as well. So we're going to begin with the full scan. Click Scan Now. Now the scan is running. This is going to take some time, but it's worth waiting for. It's going to make a deep scan and check for malwares and viruses that are lurking around your computer. After going through the scanning process, it says threats found. Start the recommended actions. Click Start Actions. On the contrary, you might have options to either quarantine or remove the threat. You can choose to quarantine the threat. After going through the full scan, the next thing you should do is the offline scan. Please save your work before you do this, because this process is going to restart your computer and it should take about 15 minutes to complete that. Get done with the offline scan, then we go on to the next step, okay? The next thing you can do is to manually remove malware files. Type Windows R on your keyboard and that should open the run. Here you want to type %temp%. Click OK. This is where your computer stores temporary files. These files are just sitting in your computer and unfortunately it might contain some infected files. So now we're going to delete everything here, and also this process is going to help to clear junks from your PC as well. So highlight on everything, then delete, okay? Delete the content. Check on this. Because Windows are currently using some files, you won't be able to delete everything here. So choose Skip. Check on this again, skip. So now we've removed everything except the ones that are in use currently, okay? Again, hold the Windows and R key, and this time you want to type prefetch. Click OK. So here you can delete the content in this prefetch. By deleting these files, we can clear off any potential traces of malware or viruses, okay? So just delete it and don't worry, deleting these files will not cause any problem for your computer. So the final thing we have to do right now is to go right here, type on CMD. This should reveal your command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator. Choose yes if notified. So now you're going to scan for potential damages that may have been caused by these viruses. Here in the command prompt, type SFC /scan now. Tap enter. So now it's going to run through your entire computer system for any potential fault or any kind of abnormality that may have been caused by the malware or viruses. So the good news for me, it says Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So in my case, I'm good. Give it a restart and hopefully everything is going to be all right afterwards. So let me know in the comment section if this works for you. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So that's it. Thanks for watching and bye for now.